Hello, welcome back to another video of changing the look of your room by yourself. In this video we made use of Dove grey paint, 1 gallon, a roller, a painting brush, a bucket. That's all we use in this paint. You might be having this question in your mind that IP.A.W, how will I be able to paint my room by myself when I didn't even learn painting? Well, that's not a problem. Just pay attention to this video and take note of the details. That's very simple for you to do. As you can see, the guy you are watching in this video is my brother, and it is the second time he's holding a roller. This is the second time he's performing the job, so don't be afraid of it. It's very simple. These are the things that you need to know while painting your room. Don't dip the roller too much in the paint so that it will not be dripping off from the wall, and also be gentle with it so that it will be beautiful. Don't rush so that there won't be paint splash all over the place. Remember, when you are handling your paintbrush, let the reading flow so that you won't waste your paint, okay? Also, cutting the edge of the ceiling also need carefulness, otherwise you will be painting yourself. You get that? Don't dip the brush into the paint too much so that it won't take too much paint. As you can see, I'm cleaning off the excess paint from the brush so that it will not be dripping off and be falling on my head. I don't want to paint myself. So that's it. Pay attention to the details and learn how to paint your room by yourself. DIY, do it yourself. I know some of you will be wondering, why didn't you guys paint the ceiling rest? Actually, we are not after the painting. I mean, we just want to cover the old paint, not add that to the ceiling. But we are going to do that later. So watch out for more of these videos for tutorials and other artworks.